guys, and Julian. There's Marjorie Price, and we're in Mr. R's integrated sound course, and we're doing our presentation on wave energy. What is it? Wave energy is the transport of energy by ocean surface waves and the capture of the energy.
What do you mean from the business now?
Do work that is useful.
How is wave energy made? Energy waves turn turbines inside a device, either in the water or onshore. Wave energy also creates electricity, and the industry generates about 2,640 terawatts hour per year. We should use wave energy because it's environmental friendly, it uses the power of the ocean, and waves have a lot of potential energy. The Pacific Ocean has really strong waves.
A nearby example of wave energy is the WESRF program at OSU. WESRF stands for Wallace Energy Systems and Renewables Facility. At WESRF, they study waves and wave energy and also new wave technologies. Last of all, the pros and cons of wave energy. Wave energy has a lot of advantages, such as it is environmentally friendly, it is renewable, it will never run out, and it has lots of potential. Each wave has a lot of potential energy, as we mentioned before. However, on the flip side, the facilities are not visibly pleasing. They have a lot of concrete and metal. They can negatively affect marine life and habitat. They can block fishing channels, which may be harmful in communities with a lot of fishermen and crabbers like Depot Bay and Newport. And they cost a lot of money in installment. However, they do cost less in upkeep. But in general, wave energy would be a good energy source for a community like Lincoln City. We don't have a lot of fishers and crabbers, that's more in Newport. So we have a lot of strong waves, so a wave energy facility would be good to generate power for Lincoln City. I'm going to turn this off.
Hello, my name is Juan McGann, and this is Hunter Bishop, and our alternative energy source is wave power. And some like the main types of wave power, like they're already making designs for it at OSU and other places, is like the water piston pump and the E1 ocean farm, and Hunter's going to explain how those work.
Okay, so the water piston pump basically works like there's buoys that float on the water, and so they can go up and down with the waves, and they're connected to cylinders. And as these cylinders go up, it sucks in water, and as the buoys push back down on them, it forces the water through pipes to spin a generator, and the water flows back into the ocean. And here's the design for one. And you can see the buoys are going up with the waves, and as they suck in water, and as they go down, it forces it through the tubes and spin a generator. The voice hydro works by using waves to create a vacuum tube to spin a generator. Basically, you have a slanted concrete rectangular prism that goes down into the water. And as the waves go up, it forces the air that's in the cylinder or rectangular prism out, and it forces the air through a generator, and when the waves go down, it creates a suction, and all the air gets sucked back in to spin a generator. And there's the diagram for it. You can see as the waves go up, there's no more room for the air, so the air is forced out, and as the waves go down, the air has to go back into it.
So one reason that like wave energy would work better than the others is because it works 24/7. Like solar energy and wind energy and stuff, like it doesn't work all the time, but because it doesn't work when it's dark out. But for waves, the waves are going all the time, so it's always working, and it's cheaper than most of the other ones too. The designs for like how to create it. It's cheaper than most of the other ones, and nuclear energy is also very dangerous. And we're already on the coast, so like it'd be easy to find a place to place the generators and where you could put them. And yeah.
Nicely.
I'm Jack Stemple, this is Felicia Holstein, and this is Jade Alford, and we are doing our presentation on wave energy. Wave energy devices are highly diverse, and they're being tested all over. We actually have one in Newport that's being tested. It works really well, actually. The wave technologies have been designed to be near shore, so when the water gets pumped through the tube, we'll explain it later, it'll go onshore, and then you can fix if there's any problems with the generator, you can fix it onshore. They are also offshore, like to 4 to 5 miles, and then way offshore, which is like 15 to 20 miles.
The water like rises and then the wave like pushes it back down, which like sends the water like through the generator and then like to the onshore, which like turns the generator.
Waves pull buoys up, sucking water in, then pushing the buoys down, pushing the water to a pump, turning a turbine.
Wave energy is a great energy source because the wave energy is a renewable resource. The waves won't stop coming. So, like using fossil fuels, we'll run out of fossil fuels, but with this wave energy, we won't run out of it. So it's a really good energy source to use. Once again, Newport is starting this, so I think Lincoln City should too. OSU is actually doing this for Newport, and I think we should talk to OSU about this because it's an awesome technology.
Waves are new and improved ways to create energy.
That's it.
Yay!